Okay, crew, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a prep with me, and we have some large shrimp that we're gonna do for our dinner, and we have some ribeye steaks right here. So I'm just gonna show y'all pretty much how I prep my shrimp and my steak before cooking it. So we just pretty much gonna remove the head. And there's some pretty nice sized shrimp. In the comment section below, let us know how you're doing and what y'all been up to and what y'all having today. This is going to be a two-part video. I'm going to give y'all the prepping part and give y'all the cooking part. And we got the seafood from Long Beach Seafood. If you're in the Mississippi area, it's located on Commission Road. And you know, sometimes pulling the shell off and deveining the shrimp can be a little tedious, but hey, somebody gotta do it. You know. And these gloves pretty much don't help. You know, with them being plastic. So I'm gonna invest in some latex gloves with no powder or no kind of chemicals on them. And let us know if y'all have any plans for this summer. You know, if you have kids, what y'all plan on doing with y'all kids this summer, you know, because, you know, some places kids are out of school already. And this will be the last week for baby boy in school. So just let us know what y'all have planned for the family. If y'all taking any trips or just, you know, relaxing. Some nice sized ones. And when you're dealing with shrimp this size, you don't want to cook them too long because you don't want them to become either rubberish or mushy. And no one wants a rubberish or mushy shrimp. Or tough. It's very easy to overcook shrimp this size or any size. Pretty much you want to cook your shrimp, you know, depending on the size, 2 to 4 minutes max. Especially if you're sauteing them. You know, frying, you know, it's a little give and take, you know, depending on if you want them crispy or not. So, to devein the shrimp, you're just gonna get your knife, get your shrimp, and go down the back. And you can butterfly your shrimp if you want to. And like normally, you want to remove that little piece right there, if you can see it. I'll do one more. It's hard to see on camera, but y'all get the drill. Okay, so we got these all peeled and deveined, and you want to make sure that you wash them once you peel and devein them. So we're just gonna give them a quick little rinse. And we're gonna cut these dry. I just want to give y'all a quick look at them once they're peeled in the vein. Okay, crew, so we have our ribeye steaks here that are pretty nice. We're gonna wash them. Then we're gonna pat them dry, and make sure that your steaks is always room temperature when you're ready to cook them. So, just quick wash. I'll turn the water off. Make sure it's not much water in the sink. We got our trusty paper towels. We're just gonna pat them dry. We're gonna take our pan right here, and this side that's patted dry, we're gonna put it dry side down. So that's all to it. You just wash them and you pat them dry. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next step, y'all. Hold on. Okay, cool. So we have some butterfly ground mullet here. We're just gonna give it a quick rinse. Same thing with the steaks. We're gonna pat it dry. And we have a pan right here. We're gonna turn them on flesh side up, or skin side up. And we're gonna pat that dry, just like that. That was funny, huh? Okay, get your crooked ways. Okay, cool. Okay, crew, so that's Brianna's table, y'all. Please don't pay her no mind. But we love her to death. She being silly. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our black pepper. And we just doing salt and black pepper, and that's it. Simple. and quick and easy and straight to the point. So we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna salt the other side. Not a whole lot of salt. Then we're gonna go in with the black pepper. And that's it, crew. Just salt and black pepper. Bless you, baby girl. Change the gloves. And on to our shrimp. So we have jumbo shrimp here. And we're gonna go in with a little black pepper. A little salt. Not a lot. Then we have the Kinder's, the seafood blend. And we're going to give it a little mix. Then we're going to go back over our shrimp with the Kinder seafood blend. We're going to mix again. And this is the first part of the video, part 1, of how I prep everything. If y'all want to see part 2, y'all stick around. So if you're new to the channel, you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and comment on the videos. And make sure you click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when Pop's doing it all. Upload a video. And yes, we did change the channel from Cooking with the Crew to Pop's doing it all because the kids call me Pop. And I'm versatile. I cook, I clean, I do it all. Wash clothes. So we're going to give y'all a little bit of everything for us grocery hauls, cleaning, washing, and, you know, cooking. So hope y'all enjoying the new content that's going to be on the way. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. And we out. Peace.